You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Olunaku lwa leero abasiraamu okuva mu bifo eby'enjawulo bakungaanidde ku muzikiti gwa Old Kampala okusaala Eid. Okusaala kuno kukulembeddwamu Mufti wa Uganda Sheikh Ramadhan Mubajje ng'ono asabye abasiraamu okusigala nga basa kimu newankubadde ng'okusiiba kuwedde.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. The sheikhs, the duats who have been educating our people during the holy month of Ramadan on how to best perform their prayers, benefit from the fasting of the holy month of Ramadan through both print and electronic media. May Allah reward them abundantly. I mean those ones who are faithful even when it comes to social media, because there are some fake sheikhs who have been providing misguiding fatwas on the same. May Allah reward them abundantly. I also thank the media houses that have been airing programs aimed at sensitizing the Muslims, mobilizing the Muslims on how to perform their fasting and how to behave during the holy month of Ramadan.
Ono asabye abasiraamu okwongera okwettanira enkola ya gavumenti eya PDM okusobola okweggya mu bwavu.
Parish development model, after being explained by His Excellency the President that this money is not a loan, it is a donation to the beneficiaries of PDM at the parish, then going for PDM is halal. We allow you to go and borrow that money. Whatever you return is within your parish. You are going to benefit it even more. So it is not halal any riba.
Ye omumyuka wa Mufti Sheikh Muhammad Ali Waiswa akubiriza abasiraamu okwagala ennyo famire zaabwe ng'agamba mwe muli empeera.
Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam atugamba istawsu bin nisa'i khaira, tuwalamira ku bakyala bammwe bulungi, fa inna al-mar'ata khulqat min dhill, kubanga abakyala abo baakolebwa kuva mu lubirizi, wa inna a'waja shay'in fi dhill a'la, era olubirizi olusinga okubeera olwekosefu lwera olusinga olwa waggulu, fa in dhahabta tuqimu tasatta, obanga oyagala kulugolola okumenya kumenya, wa in taraktahu lam yazal a'waj, era bw'oba olulesinga buddi era lusigala lukyamye. Fastawsu binnisa'i khaira, n'olwekyo abakyala bammwe mbakwate bulungi.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Omubaka wa Mufti wa Uganda Sheikh Ramadhan Mubajje akubiriza abasiraamu okulekera okwelumagana n'abagamba nti badde wamu okusobola okumalako mu nsi. Nze Mubajje.